Welcome to the System Design Framework channel, where we simplify complex system designs and turn them into easy-to-follow step-by-step guides. In the previous video, we explored the CAP theorem considerations while designing a social media platform. We discussed how the trade-offs between consistency, availability, and partition tolerance impact the design and behavior of the system. For instance, we examined scenarios where consistency is prioritized, like ensuring the most recent data is always available when users view posts or comments. On the other hand, there are cases where availability might take precedence, such as when users are allowed to post content even during temporary network issues. We also touched on partition tolerance, a critical factor for large-scale platforms. Since network partitions are inevitable, the system must continue to operate by balancing consistency and availability based on specific use cases. If you missed that video, no worries. You can find the entire playlist linked in the video description below. In this video, we're going to dive into an essential part of designing any system components. This step is all about breaking down the system into its individual building blocks and understanding their roles. Every system is made up of components, each responsible for specific tasks, like handling user requests, managing data, or ensuring smooth communication between services. Identifying these components early on helps us define how they'll interact and ensures the system operates efficiently. For example, in a social media platform, components like the user service, post service, and notification service each serve a unique purpose. Together, they form the backbone of the platform. So, let's explore how to identify and design these components effectively. Here's a closer look at the key pieces of the puzzle. The user registration service is where it all begins. It helps users create accounts, log in securely, and even recover passwords. It might support social login options, like using Google or Facebook. Then comes the profile management service. Once registered, users can customize their profiles, uploading a profile picture, adding a bio, or tweaking personal details. Then there's the post management service, the engine for content creation. Users can post text, images, videos, or other media, and they can edit or delete these posts later. Like and comment service, likes and comments bring posts to life. This service ensures users can engage with content and each other. Direct messages and group chats? That's all handled in the messaging service. This service ensures smooth, secure conversations. The follow/unfollow service handles the following relationships, so users get personalized feeds based on who they follow. Whether it's a new post, a comment, or a message, the notification service keeps users informed in real time. It's all about control. The privacy and security service manages settings for profile visibility and who can interact with user content. The friend request service enables users to send, accept, or decline friend requests, helping them expand their connections. If someone reports inappropriate content, the content moderation service steps in to review and, if necessary, take action. Finally, the session management service ensures users log in securely and that their sessions are managed efficiently, including logging them out after inactivity. What about the non-core components? Let's go through the extras that enhance the experience. Integratings with third-party for sharing posts on external platforms. Users can find content and people with the help of the search and discovery features. For managing events within the platform, events system can be used. Also, for insights like post performance and engagement. Data analytics tools can offer such insights, and mobile app makes the platform accessible on the go. Finally, multimedia support for uploading and viewing rich content like videos and live streams. Alright, let's break down the responsibilities of the various components in a social media platform. By understanding what each part does and keeping clear boundaries, we can make the platform modular, scalable, and efficient. First up, user registration service. This handles user account creation, things like validating email and passwords or enabling logins through other social media platforms. It also takes care of account recovery and password resets. Next, we have the profile management service. This is where users can create, update, or view their profiles. It lets people upload profile pictures, customize their personal info, and set privacy preferences, like who gets to see their posts. Now, let's talk about the post management service. This is a big one. It handles everything to do with posts. Users can create, edit, or delete posts, upload media like images and videos, and of course, it organizes all those posts into timelines and feeds. Then there's the like and comment service, which is all about engagement. It lets users like and comment on posts, keeps track of those numbers, and facilitates conversations between users on posts. Moving on to messaging service. This allows users to send private messages, whether it's one-on-one or in groups. Messages can include text, media, and even emojis. Plus, it ensures those messages are delivered and stored securely. The follow-unfollow service comes next. This one manages the social graph, who's following who, and makes it easy to follow or unfollow users. It also displays followers and following counts on profiles. Now, the notification service. This keeps users updated, like notifying them about new followers, comments, or likes. It even lets users customize how they want to get notified, like via email or push notifications. Of course, we can't forget about privacy and security service. This protects user data with encryption, ensures compliance with privacy regulations like GDPR, and guards against security breaches with measures like two-factor authentication. Another important one is the friend request service. This allows users to send, accept, or decline friend requests and keeps track of the status of these connections. It also integrates with the follow-unfollow system for a unified experience. The content moderation service is vital for platform safety. It filters harmful or inappropriate content, combines automated tools with human moderators, and enforces community guidelines. Finally, for core services, there's the session management service. It manages user logins, session timeouts, and security for active sessions, like letting users renew or invalidate sessions when needed. Now, let's cover some additional features. First, third-party integrations. This connects the platform with external services, like enabling logins to Google or Facebook, analytics tools, or even payment gateways. Next, search and discovery features. This makes it easy for users to find posts, users, or hashtags. It also highlights trending topics and suggests people to follow based on interests. Then there's the event system, which allows users to create and manage events. It includes features like RSVPs, guest lists, and notifications for upcoming events. The Data Analytics and Insights component tracks user engagement and platform performance. It provides insights for improvement, content recommendations, and even targeted advertising. It's also great for generating reports on trends and activity. For mobile users, the mobile app ensures a seamless experience. It syncs data with the web platform and optimizes performance for smartphones. Finally, multimedia support. This makes sure the platform handles all types of media like images, videos, audio, and more. It ensures smooth playback, efficient storage, and quick access. Alright, let's dive into the three main ways the different components use to communicate, depending on what's needed. First, using REST APIs. These are perfect for simple, stateless operations. For example, user interactions, signing up, updating profiles, or liking a post all use REST APIs. Post management. When someone creates, edits, or deletes a post, a quick REST call gets it done. Notifications. If a friend requests you or someone likes your post, a notification is sent through this. Next, using a web sockets are your go-to for anything real-time, like instant messaging between users, seeing new likes or comments appear on a post as they happen, watching real-time updates for posts or shared content. Finally, message queues. These handle tasks that don't need immediate responses. They're great for things like delayed notifications, like a reminder for an event, background tasks like content moderation, sending analytics data for reports or user insights. So, simply, when to use what? REST is for standard tasks, WebSockets are for instant updates, and message queues handle things that can wait. Let's talk about error handling and why it's so important for creating a smooth user experience, especially in something as dynamic as a social media platform. So, what happens when things don't go as planned? Let's break it down with a few practical strategies. First up, retries. Sometimes things fail, but a quick retry can make it right. Here's where it comes in handy. If a message doesn't go through because of a network hiccup, we'll retry until it gets delivered. If posting content fails due to a server issue, we give it another shot. Same for likes or comments. If the count doesn't update, retries can fix that too. Next, what if retries aren't enough? That's where graceful degradation steps in. It's about keeping things functional even when some features fail. Say you try to update your profile, and it doesn't work. Instead of locking you out, we'll show you a message but let you keep using the app. Can't create a post? No problem. We'll notify you, but you can still browse and enjoy other content. If a message doesn't send right away, we'll queue it up for delivery later. Sometimes, we need backup plans, like fallback mechanisms. If the database isn't available, we can show cache data, like your last saved profile or post information. Missed notifications. Don't worry, they'll be queued and sent when possible. Real-time messaging down. Messages are queued and delivered as soon as we're back up. And of course, we need to keep an eye on things with alerting and logging. Failed logins are logged for security, helping us monitor potential issues. If creating posts fails, we'll alert admins to investigate quickly. Recurring messaging problems are logged to identify patterns and address them. Lastly, let's talk about how we respond to errors. Clear, user-friendly messages make a huge difference. You'll see something like, "Unable to create post, please try again later." If liking a post fails, we'll show, "Unable to like this post at the moment." If a message can't go through, it might say, "Message could not be sent, retrying." So that's the plan: retrying, graceful degradation, fallback mechanisms, alerting, logging, and clear responses. Together, these ensure that even when things go wrong, the experience stays as smooth as possible. And that wraps up this step in the system design of a social media platform. We've covered the system components for building a social media platform. Remember, if you want a deeper dive into this step, or want to explore all the other steps in detail, just head over to www.systemdesignframework.com. It's all there. And it's completely free. And that brings us to the end of this playlist on designing a scalable, high-performance social media platform. And guess what? This is just the beginning. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into more real-world system designs. We'll tackle a wide range of challenges and explore advanced topics in system design. Thank you so much for joining me on this system design journey. I hope you've gained valuable insights and are excited to take your skills to the next level. Remember, great system design isn't just about knowing the tools, it's about asking the right questions and thinking critically. Until next time, keep designing, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you're the first to know when it's live. See you there.